was originally going to make this video on my tripod, but I just broke my tripod. Anyway, um, whenever I do make any sort of like reels or TikTok posts, typically it's because I'm procrastinating on something at the moment. And right now, um, I'm procrastinating on studying further for my quantum exam, which is in like, I think 14 hours. Not 14, maybe 11 hours. Anyway, graduate school has been rough. I think one of the things that I think is more often discussed these days is that graduate school, depending on what kind of program you go to, is not really it's not really designed to like keep you in a healthy mood per se. I think for the sake of this, I guess in this case I wanted to say it's from most of school is not neurodivergent friendly, but grad school is like even more so unfriendly for neurodivergent folks, and I am experiencing that firsthand. Like the overwhelming amount of work that we're expected to commit to as grad students is ridiculous sometimes. Like, yeah, you have like, I don't know, several different homeworks due, and then you have to grade, I don't know, this many assignments for the class you're TAing, or classes you're TAing, and on top of that, you have to be present for your shifts as well. I think the worst part about this semester so far is that I have to wake up at 6:30 every single day to make it to my 8 a.m. Whether that's TAing for my 8 a.m. lecture, or um, just attending the lecture, just attending the 8 a.m. lecture. Like either way, my day is gonna start at 8 a.m., which is not something I particularly vibe with. I'm not a morning person. If anything, no matter how hard I try, I'll end up staying awake till like 12 to 2 a.m. And as things get more stressful, that will shift towards 3 to 4 a.m. and eventually you're looking at a very disrupted sleep cycle. I mean, I don't have a sleep cycle right now. Like, I literally spent most of Thursday, it's Friday right now, but I spent most of Thursday just sleeping. Like, I went to bed at like 3 a.m. on Thursday, and I woke up at 4 something p.m. And I was tired. I woke up tired. I had my meal. When I say meal, I mean like, I had a cup of coffee, and then I just got to working on my, preparation for the quantum exam, which is, you know, later today. And after that, I just simply felt tired again. I just laid down again in bed, and then told myself, fuck it, let me just wake up and do more problems. I did it, and then I went down for dinner, because, again, we're talking about, we were like close to like 7 p.m. now. I study for like close to 2 hours. And then once that's done, I decide to try to work through another problem, and I feel tired again. I feel more tired now. I have no idea why. And not to mention, my appetite is also kind of shit. Anyway, I end up falling asleep again. And keep in mind, by this time it's like 9:30 to 10 p.m. I wake up around 1 a.m. And then I worked on some more problems. I got myself a cup of hot chocolate, because that's like my daily routine. And then got myself dessert and stuff, and then worked through more problems. And it's 4:30 a.m. now, and I'm about to go to bed and get my 2 to 2.5 hours of sleep, which is fine, because again, I've made up whatever. I've made up the amount of rest I could not make over the past few days, I guess. So either way, my sleep schedule is going to be fucked. Anyway, I hope I survive today, and I hope I survive next week, because I also have another exam next week. That's for E&M. Yeah, Jackson's E&M. Yeah, and then I have a stat mag homework due later today as well. Well, 11:59 p.m. today. Um, what else? I don't know. There's like also another. There's like more things on my plate that I've like committed to and have like not just have just like not found time to like get around to. I have no idea what I'm even doing. Like, yeah. I do not know what else I was going to talk about in this TikTok video. That's pretty much it. There's more stuff going on in my life, but this is what I wanted to talk about. I don't even want to talk about anything else because either one, I don't feel comfortable about it, or two, it's just overwhelming to even think about it. If there's one thing I recommend, go to therapy. Like, at least once every 2 weeks, go to therapy. Be in therapy actively. Do not ignore any signs of your mental health or your physical health. It goes for both of them. It's very easy to ignore them. Anyway, it's time for me to go to sleep.